guys, so today in this video I will be showing you all how to make a Play-Doh circuit. You will need the following materials: some Play-Doh, some copper wire, rubber bands, a 9-volt battery, and some LED lights. So you're going to assemble your circuit in the following way. You're going to take some copper wire and wrap it around each terminal, like so. And you're going to take your excess copper wire and connect it to a piece of Play-Doh. Now you can make any type of shape you want, but for our purpose I made 2 small balls to make it a more simple circuit for our understanding. So you're going to take your LED lights, and the longer length of the LED light should be connected to the positive terminal, like so. And if your circuit is done properly, then the lights should illuminate. And you can put any type of lights you want, 3, 4, doesn't matter. So you might be asking yourself, why is Play-Doh a good conductor of electricity? Well, the amount of salt in the dough allows electrons to move freely within the dough. And salt is also an ion that has electrical charge. Now, an important note about resistance. The LED lights in Play-Doh provide resistance in our circuit, so we don't need to buy a separate piece of resistor. A resistor's job is to limit the flow of electrons, so the light bulb won't become overpowered or burn out. Also, the LED lights have a certain voltage of around 3 to 3.2 volts, and the battery has around 9 volts. So you can see there's a voltage difference between the LED lights and the battery. The resistor's job is to make sure that the voltage difference has a very small impact on the current. So, both LED lights and the Play-Doh have a built-in resistance that allows the current to flow, despite the voltage difference. And that is how you make a Play-Doh circuit.